crash course on United Kingdom, UK, art and museums. Welcome to a crash course on the rich art history and renowned museums of the United Kingdom. Prepare to be captivated by fascinating stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for the art scene. Let's dive in. 1. The British Museum. Located in London, the British Museum houses a vast collection of art and artifacts from around the world, including the iconic Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles. 2. Tate Modern. As one of the world's largest modern and contemporary art museums, Tate Modern showcases groundbreaking works by renowned artists such as Pablo Picasso, Andy Warhol, and Salvador Dalí. 3. The National Gallery. Situated in Trafalgar Square, London, the National Gallery features an extensive collection of Western European paintings, including masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, and Rembrandt. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that highlight the art and museums of the United Kingdom. 1. The British Museum, London, England. 2. Tate Modern, London, England. 3. The National Gallery, London, England. 4. Victoria and Albert Museum, London, England. 5. The British Library, London, England. 6. The Museum of Modern Art, Edinburgh, Scotland. 7. National Museum Cardiff, Cardiff, Wales. 8. The Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum, Glasgow, Scotland. 9. The Ashmolean Museum, Oxford, England. 10. The Fitzwilliam Museum, Cambridge, England. 11. The Walker Art Gallery, Liverpool, England. 12. The Ulster Museum, Belfast, Northern Ireland. These attractions showcase the rich art history of the United Kingdom, from ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces. Whether you find yourself mesmerized by the historical treasures of the British Museum, immersed in the world of modern art at Tate Modern, or awestruck by the diverse collection at the National Gallery, each museum promises a unique and enriching experience. In summary, the United Kingdom's art and museums reflect its rich cultural heritage and offer a fascinating journey through time and creativity. From the British Museum's global treasures to the modern masterpieces at Tate Modern, these institutions provide a glimpse into the diverse artistic expressions that have shaped the country's identity. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AD=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the art and museums of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom's artistic domain, museums and galleries, treasures to contain. The British Museum, a world's delight. Rosetta Stone and Marbles, a historical flight. Tate Modern, contemporary's embrace. Picasso, Warhol, art's vivid space. The National Gallery, masterpieces galore. Da Vinci, Van Gogh, an art lover's lore. Victoria and Albert, design's grandeur. The British Library, knowledge's curator. Edinburgh's Museum of Modern Art. Cardiff's National Museum, a creative start. Kelvin Grove's Gallery, Glasgow's gem. Ashmolean Museum, Oxford's esteemed emblem. Fitzwilliam's Beauty, Cambridge's pride. Walker Art Gallery, Liverpool's artistic stride. Ulster Museum, Belfast's cultural retreat. United Kingdom's art scene, a vibrant beat. From ancient relics to contemporary creation, the United Kingdom's art, a rich sensation. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AD=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.